Friends, I'm Rishabh Kumar and today I'm going to discuss my experience of TOEFL. I gave my TOEFL on Sunday and it's been 3 days. So many of my friends told me to just tell about my TOEFL experience. So coming on the TOEFL, so the first session was of reading and which was easy, but yeah, it was lengthy compared to GRE. So GRE used to have one paragraph or two paragraph, maximum three paragraph, whereas in TOEFL it's minimum 6 to 7 paragraph. So it's lengthy, but it is very easy. All are fact-based question or data-based question, you can say. The question's answer is given on the passage. You don't need to read entire, then you need to come and then solve. No, it's not like that. You can read one paragraph and on based on that paragraph, the question will be given. And very important thing is that I have followed this strategy. You may follow this or you may not. It totally depends on you. I read one paragraph. I read complete one paragraph. Then I used to solve all those questions answer which was related, all those questions which was related to that paragraph. And there is a proper sequence. Like for paragraph one, there will be maybe one or two question. Then there will be question from paragraph 2 3. So it's like a proper sequence. So that was for reading part. Coming on the listening, so I got 9 recording. uh, so I tried to listen all and tried to make notes of each and every detail part, so which really benefit me a lot because I was having entire note, entire detail stuff. Second, I was very much confident in myself, like I haven't missed anything, like this was the thing. So I was able to uh, solve all those questions. One extra thing is that days 17 days 10 minute, in 10 minute you have to solve 17 question. So the timer won't be start when the listening part is there. So if the test maker is telling something, so the timer won't be running. So that is a very good thing for that. And I think, yeah, in conversation part you can, like there is one lecture, conversation then lecture. So in conversation part, what I feel, that is my personal, I feel we can solve little easy, fast, so that we can just, in last we will have a time in some confusing question. And very most important thing, you can't go back. So that is very important. So there is one more thing, once you have done for next, there is again a button of okay, you need to click after that. So you need to click very fast. If you are sure with the answer, click very fast, because you don't need to waste time on these part. And be sure, don't click twice or thrice, because you may skip some answer, maybe. So coming on the speaking, so after that we have 10-minute break and then we come for speaking. Very important thing, if you go early, so your paper will start early, so your speaking part will start early. So people used to say, like one tip I used to get, like if you spend less time in break and then you come back, you can listen everyone's question. Don't do this, trust me, don't do this. It's better you start your speaking fast, because when you are doing your listening part, people may start speaking stuff. So the one thing is very important to go early. I went 1 hour early and there were 6 people before me who started giving their test. As soon as you reach there, especially in Gurgaon part, so they used to start means giving them the test. So they used to start solving the test. So that is very important. You need to be at first, not first or second, third. That is good, because if you are in listening part and no one is speaking, you can concentrate or you can listen it more. Moreover, there is one more thing, like uh, the headphones which are especially for uh, clear voice, miss, for no interruption of sound. So in reading part I use that. I know there was no sound, but then it was good. Whereas in the speaking part, I tried this, it doesn't help. Like I went early, I finished my break on 5 minutes. I knew few terms like there was a toy train, something like that, but it was not coming very early, and people means like the person who was means who was monitoring everything, he was pretty, he was having experience like people used to do this, so he was telling, yeah, you can start right now. So that was like the stuff, so I will be saying go early and start early. So the speaking part you need to practice a lot, trust me. And these are two mistakes which I did. I don't want that you should do the mistake. Like first, I completed task 5 answer in 55 seconds. Next 5 second, it was like I told like I was saying summary or something like that, but it was not making sense. So try to complete by 58 or 59. That would be much better than completing at 55 and getting a blank. Secondly, in task 6, I just told second point and I was not able to explain the second detail. So that is very important. Uh, for speaking and listening, I went early. I didn't start my paper. I made the template on the paper. So always try to make templates because it's very important. Means you are able to know and understand. Like you can see the template and you can write the keynotes. So it's very important. Like I need to give 15 seconds on this and 30 seconds on that and this. So the proper time management is there. Next, the writing. Writing was normal. Just one suggestion that you need to write more, write in lengthy, because I feel writing lengthy gives more point. So that's it. This was my experience. For taking the snacks part, I will be saying just bring a chocolate, and in breakfast have a light breakfast. You can use any type of coffee like tea, no alcohol, like tea, chocolate, you can have those. And in break part, try to eat less, drink, and be calm. That's the only suggestion for me for TOEFL. See you again.